Pierce Brosnan and his wife Keely Shaye Brosnan first met in 1994 and they got married in 2001. Pierce Brosnan, besides being a famous Hollywood actor, he is a devoted dad and husband. They first met in 1994 and they got married in 2001 and they have together 2 sons, Dylan and Paris. Keely is a former model and actress who worked in TV and films. She later became a on-air correspondent using her platform to support environmentalists and animal rights. In 2016, Keely made her director debut with the film Poisoning Paradise, which shed light on toxic environment practice in Kauai, Hawaii, where she and Pierce live for a part of the year. After more than 2 decades of marriage, Keely and Pierce are still head over heels in love with each other. On December 2023, Pierce told Star Fox News in his own words that we like each other a lot, we love each other a lot. Watching someone grow up with you and grow old with you is a very spiritual journey. To watch each other change, whatever it may be, the hair, the waist, but is the love in the heart. The couple met at the beach party in Mexico in 1994. Keely was there to interview Cheers actor Ted Danson when she started talking to Pierce and the pair hit it off immediately. He was captivating, tall, dark, and handsome, she recalled. Everything that everybody would immediately be attracted to. He had a mischievous spark in his eye. That was Keely in her own words. The couple married 7 years later in 2001 in Pierce's native Ireland at Ballintuba Abbey in County Mayo, in front of 100 guests, the day which was covered exclusively by Hero, featuring a fireworks display, a 7-tie cake, and an elaborate ice sculpture of Rodin's The Kiss. In an interview with The Independent, Pierce said, "I love her vitality, her passion. She has this strength that I wouldn't be able to live without. When Keely looks at me, I go weak." The romantic has also said, "I found a great woman in Keely. Not if I searched a million times over would I find one as good." Pierce sadly lost his first wife, Australian actress Cassandra Harris, to cancer in December 1991. Cassie, as she was known, was 43. The couple had 1 son together, Shane, and Pierce also adopted Casey's 2 older children, Charlotte and Chris. Charlotte sadly also died of ovarian cancer in June 2013. Pierce has credited his wife Keely for helping him heal. Keely has always been kind and compassionate and encouraging me to mourn Casey. He said, "I think of her all the time. I suppose Keely is my North Star, always looking out for me." Those reports from HelloMagazine.com and people. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to have more information. Uyu munsi ngiye kukubwira ku nkuru y'urukundo hagati y'umukinnyi w'amafilime wamamaye muri Hollywood Pierce Brosnan n'umugore we Keely Shaye Brosnan. Aba bahuye mwaka 1994 ubwo Keely yari ari gukoresha interview abakinnyi b'amafilime. Muri icyo gihe Pierce Brosnan yari yarapfushije umugore we wa mbere Casey azize indwara ya kanseri mu 1991. Nyuma y'imyaka 7 babana, mu 2001 nibwo bashyingiranywe ku kirwa cya Brosnan yavukiyeho imbere y'abantu barenga 100. Bakaba bafitanye abana b'abahungu 2. Ariko nyuma y'urupfu rw'umugore we wa mbere, Brosnan yafashe abana 2 b'umugore we wa mbere yarabyaye, nabo arabazana arabarera. Ariko kubw'amahirwe make, uwitwa Charlotte nawe yazize kanseri muri 2013. Brosnan muri 2023 yabwiye igitangazamakuru cya Hello Magazine ko umugore we Keely amufasha cyane kandi yamufashije kwibagirwa ndetse no kutiheba ubwo yatakazaga umugore we wa mbere Keely. Ibyo byari bike mu byo wamenya ku rukundo rw'umukinnyi w'amafilime Brosnan n'umugore we Keely. Gusaba kanda like na subscribe ujye umenya amakuru agezweho. Hari igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wakandika muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.